Yo, what's good people? Welcome to the video. Now today I'm going to show you one exercise that you need to do to improve your upper chest. Now this is a very underrated exercise, and that is called the pike push-up. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to do it and what variations you need to do in order to make it more challenging. So let's get into it. So in order to perform the exercise, we're going to get on our two hands and feet in a pike position, so that means toes upwards. And what you're going to do is you're going to press down and lean forward. So that's going to target a majority of your upper chest. And then press back up. And it's also will target your shoulders and your triceps. Now you can also make it harder by increasing the distance using, well, the distance by meaning range of motion, by using parallettes. So again, I'll show you. Basically the same thing, but now just using parallettes. Parallettes, you can just elevate your feet on a box or a bench. It will do the same thing. Now, if you want to take it to a whole nother level, you can do it on the gymnastic rings. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. It's very tough, so you've got to be very stable to do this. It's the same thing basically, but now on the rings. Now, that was very tough. But again, if you want to take it to a whole new level, you can add weight using a weight vest. That's the final level, boy. That's boss level stuff. All right. So there you have it, guys. That's a quick little tutorial video on how to do a pike push-up with all the different variations and the way to do it with the correct form. So add it into your workout and you'll just watch your upper chest grow. Trust me, it's a very underrated exercise. I don't see a lot of people doing in the gym or even in the park like today. So add that into your routine. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.